And so it came to pass that by the gospel according to his worshippers, Argentine football superstar Lionel Andres Messi is now officially the greatest player the world has ever seen, after scoring a brilliant and timely hat-trick to qualify Argentina to the 2018 World Cup Finals. Not to win it, but merely to qualify. That is enough, they say. This widespread belief in Messi Nation is that the King Leo does not have to win a World Cup. He only has to qualify, and that is good enough. And the miscreants and the servants of the devil who dare to suggest that Messi needs a World Cup title to cement his legacy as a true great, they say we are nothing but malicious Messi haters, and that it is sinful and blasphemous to present the fact that the Barcelona goal-scoring machine, Lord Messi, prior to last night's blitz, Messi played some 6 hours of international football, inclusive of one World Cup final, back-to-back Copa America finals, and the previous 2 World Cup qualifiers. The Lord Messi failed to produce a single goal or a single assist in those 540 plus minutes of international football. Them say, get behind these Satan. Those facts we need not mention. And here I was thinking that Lionel Messi is so technically superior and better than every player who has ever played the game. And all he has to do to confirm his status as the greatest ever is to win the ultimate prize, lift the coveted World Cup title, and crown his technical ability with the commensurate accolades. And his greatness will be sealed. Them say no, Messi needs to do no such thing. All he needs to do is to play good. Even if him lose, just dribble better, pass better, kick better. He does not need to win this stupid World Cup title to be the greatest ever. Here endeth the Messi lesson from some messed up Messi worshippers.